In this video, we'll show you how to install and use your new Suiysuim Undersink Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System. If you have any questions about the setup or product, please feel free to contact us. Let's start now. Step 1. Install the water faucet. Insert 2 3/8 PE tubes into the faucet body ports. Match the colors gray clip for RO water and white clip for microbubble water. Insert the faucet stem into the faucet body and rotate to lock. Attach U-clip to faucet base with screws, then insert it into the countertop hole. Make sure hole A is facing the right side. Insert the faucet mounting tool into the faucet base. Tighten the screws, then push to remove the faucet mounting tool. Insert faucet stem, align with hole A and secure with a screw. Rotate the faucet body to adjust the outlet direction. Step 2. Install the feed water adapter. Close the main water supply and open the kitchen faucet to drain air and water. Remove the valve nut from the feed water adapter. Slide the nut onto the 3/8" input water tubing, fully insert the tubing into the adapter, then tighten the nut with a wrench. Attach and tighten the feed water adapter to the cold water supply valve. Connect and tighten the cold water pipe, then close the feed water adapter. Step 3. Install the drain saddle. Stick the foam seal onto the front plate of the drain saddle, making sure the holes are aligned. Drill a 1/4 inch hole in the drain pipe. Connect the drain saddle. Place it on the drain pipe, then tighten the screws and nuts. Step 4. Connect the tubing. Push to remove all the dust plugs. Insert elbow connectors and snap them with lock clips. Connect wastewater tubing to drain saddle and snap the lock clip. Connect microbubble water tubing to MB port and snap the lock clip. Connect RO water tubing to RO port and snap the lock clip. Connect input water tubing to input port and snap the lock clip. Step 5. Start up the system. Turn on the water supply and feed water adapter to check for any water leaks. Connect the power cord to the power port, then plug it in. Wait initial flush for about 18 seconds. Open the faucet and let the RO water run for 25 minutes to fully flush the system.